Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use Instagram emoji slider. The emoji slider sticker is a fun way to interact with your audience on Instagram by asking them a question. Follow these steps and you will know how to add an emoji slider into your story. Go to your Instagram home tab and swipe left or tap your story in the top left corner of your screen. Now take a picture or upload a visual from your gallery. After that, click on the smiley icon at the top of your screen and choose the emoji slider sticker. Once it appears on your screen, write your question and select the emoji for your slider. What is more, you can change your emoji slider's color. To do that, tap on the colors icon at the top of your screen. And then press done. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use an Instagram emoji slider. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.